Police officers were dispatched following reports of a disturbance involving a man and a woman. As they approached the scene, they could already hear a woman loudly yelling, indicating that the situation was still ongoing. Officers moved in to assess what was happening, determine the cause of the conflict, and ensure the safety of everyone involved.
Yeah, police here. The police here.
How are you guys doing?
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Trying to be okay.
Are you guys arguing?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I talk to you first, and then I'll come talk to you, man?
Okay. Were you involved with the argument, sir? Are you the one who called?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you were involved with the argument?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything physical between you two today? No, just
No, sir.
what you guys arguing about?
She said that I control the Fire Stick and the internet, and I say, man, I don't even know what that is. I don't even. She tripping, and now it's some cameras. She looking for cameras. I say, man, what you talking about?
Okay. And then is that about the time you called us because she was getting loud? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you just didn't want to be like in trouble or anything to happen? Okay. Well, we appreciate the call. I mean, these are the things that we want to get called about, before things get out of hand.
That's right.
You know?
Right.
So nobody needs to be getting in trouble or going to jail or anything for stuff that we can come and just be like, be cool, man. And then everybody's cool and we leave and that's it. Do you guys both live together here at this house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you like boyfriend, girlfriend?
Yes,
or okay.
We've been up to 2.5 weeks together.
Don't be alarmed. I got this thing in my hand. Let me put the shit down. I just picked it up.
Okay. What's going on?
He called y'all. I don't want to talk. He was trying to lock me out, and then hey.
I just want to know, did anything get physical?
No.
Okay. So you guys just verbally arguing with each other?
Yeah.
You don't want to talk?
Like that's all we did was argue. I didn't want to call the police. He wanted to call y'all. So like I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
No, I don't have one.
What's your first name?
Tasha.
Can you spell that for me?
Where you at?
It's on my arm right now.
Where you at?
What? Tasha. What's your last name, Tasha? And we run everybody's name who we talk to.
That's not even my information. I didn't tell you about my right information. That's what I'm telling you now, though. Like, I didn't give you my right information because I don't want to talk to you. Like, that's what I did. Like, I didn't want to.
Well, then put your hands behind your back. You can't just lie.
Listen. I didn't want to talk to you. Listen, bro. Listen. No.
You better listen.
Don't cuff me.
You better listen.
Do not cuff me. Okay, but didn't I just tell you that though? I didn't just trip on you or nothing like that. I just told you that.
Just stay here.
Listen, okay. Not though, so that's why I told you that I lied because I'm trying to tell you the truth.
Okay, you're not gonna lie about your information.
Listen, I just tried to tell you the truth, bro. Like that's some shit. Okay, well go get the gun that he got in there then. Go get the gun he got out the house. Go get the gun he got out the house then. You nasty bitches, bro. Y'all nasty as get off me, bro. Like that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Listen, look why you grabbing me. I'm standing here. I'm standing right here. I'm standing right here, bro. I'm standing right here.
Okay, quit resisting.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, listen, I didn't even do nothing. Bro, let me go. This is crazy. Get your hand off me like that. And you gonna let him beat me up and all that shit. I just told you that I'm trying to tell you what my name is. My real name. Did you hear me? That's what I'm trying to tell you what my real name was. I wasn't trying to like it. I wasn't trying to listen to some bullshit. Bitch!
Okay, quit resisting.
Listen, cause he's not trying to listen to me, bro. I don't want to hear. No, it's not, bro. No, it wasn't, bro. No, it wasn't. That's why y'all talking to him by yourself. Up for that. Y'all nasty as let my arms go, please, like this. Okay, can you let it go, please? No. Listen, why it hurt? Listen, bro, can you listen? Like, you an asshole. Like, it's crazy. Because you already had your mind made up before you even got here. Like, let's get in, though. Listen, I told you I didn't want to talk to you. You made me talk, so I just threw out some shit. But then when you was running the name, so that's why I was telling you that I gave you the wrong one, so I can give you the right one. You ain't even asking.
Okay. Well,
I just don't even care.
You're being detained for right now until we figure everything out.
Sir, what is it to figure out, though?
What's her real name?
Natasha.
So basically, she told me her real name. She just told me Tasha.
I don't know, man.
So then she goes, I just lied to you. That's not my real name.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't control what somebody.
Okay.
I know she be.
Right now, she's just detained, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to figure out who she is. Because she told me it was just a verbal. You told me it was just a verbal. But then when I start running her name, she's like, I just lied to you. That's not my real name.
Oh, no. She is always with some shit.
This was just going to be a simple report, and we were going to be on our way.
Yeah. Do you want to check her information real quick, see if it even comes back? And
all right. So, you guys were just arguing about household stuff.
Yeah.
Verbal. Never got physical. She told me never got physical.
Yeah.
Why would she tell me she lied about her name? She told me her real name.
I don't know why she thinks I control Fire Stick, the internet. I don't even know how to do that.
Yes. Okay.
Listen, my name is Natasha. You know me.
I know.
Yes,
I know you.
Yes,
I know you.
Hey,
Natasha.
All right. Listen, he was already like basically, like I knew like what was gonna happen though. Like he already had like some kind of like I don't know. He already had no judgment basically or whatever. I said I didn't want to talk, so he asked my name. I said Tasha, and then I was like Kennedy or whatever. So then when he went to run my name, so I was like, listen, I said like I didn't give you the right information or whatever. So then he grabbed me and just said like I'm under arrest though. But like I could have kept going with the Tasha thing. But like I'm telling you because I gave you like I'm trying to give you my right name.
And kicks him in the process. Which basically provided me a correct name, just abbreviated name. Could you still there with the obstruction on that, and then telling me she lied about her name?
Well, I would just do the obstruction. Mm-hmm. I mean, unless you want to do that. You want to be a victim?
She was doing that. She was kicking purposely. Like she wasn't fighting. She was resisting. And then when I grabbed onto her right side, and we pushed her up against the car, she was literally like mule kicking me
and
right
she
in the leg.
kicked you? Yeah.
Probably twice.
So then you would just have to do the PCA for like he can't do his own PCA
Right.
for that Leo.
That on Leo.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do obstructing, and then I'm gonna do resist with violence.